Kia ora. Welcome to our Safety Focus 2021. Driving is our #1 critical risk, and last year, not everyone made it home safely. Whether you drive a Downer vehicle or a private vehicle on Downer Business, this is for you. It's important that you make the right choices before you operate a vehicle so that you get home safely. We want 2021 to be for everyone, and there are 4 simple things you can check to make sure you're ready to hit the road. First things first, make sure you check yourself. As the driver, ensure you're fit for duty. That means letting your manager know if you have a medical condition, current illness or injury. And remember, if you're on medications, it can affect your ability to drive safely. So check with your doctor. I know a lot of you also travel long journeys as it's part of your role. So it's important that you're well rested before you drive. Did you know that after 2 hours of consecutive driving, Downer vehicles fitted with an E-Road unit displays a reminder to have a break? If you're feeling tired, stop and rest. Don't push yourself to get to your destination. A good tip is to take regular breaks throughout the day. And finally, if you think you may be affected by alcohol or drugs, don't get behind the wheel. Leading and managing people's fitness for work has been part of my roles for a number of decades. I started my career in trades, and as part of that, I was an emergency responder. I recall on many occasions working through the night where I'd be called out to jobs to attend serious car V-poles. Let's just say some of those incidents were horrific, and the common denominator were drugs and alcohol, driver fatigue and speed. What I witnessed on those occasions, I think will be etched in my mind forever. I often recall driving back home or back to the depot, and due to the event that I'd just been exposed to, I couldn't actually recall driving back. On those occasions, I knew I'd personally been impacted to the point where I couldn't concentrate on anything else. Yet I was driving a heavy vehicle. Absolutely scary stuff when I think back. This is not too dissimilar to our work environment today. We've had our Downer family experience similar incidents, which has changed lives forever. Over the past 5 years, we have focused on fitness for work through increased awareness of Downer requirements, supported through policies and procedures. We have many examples where our people have observed and assessed workers coming onto site where they were turned away due to lack of fitness for work. Some of the reasons being under the influence of drugs and alcohol. It's great to see our people step up and stand in the gap by turning people away and reporting these incidents. E-Roads has also provided us with visibility of driver performance, and we are less tolerant of behaviours of the past. We all have an individual duty of care and responsibility, so I urge you, as we enter this new year, to ensure you increase your focus and attention to driver fitness. Stay safe out there.